Look at the weather. It's a sunny day. The sun is bright and hot. It's so hot. I can't bear this heat. I always wear hat to walk under the sun. And I use an umbrella to walk under the sun. I like to eat ice cream on a sunny day. It's a rainy day. It's raining. I got drenched under the rain. I feel really sad. I always use an umbrella to walk under the rain. I wear a raincoat to play under the rain. It's so much fun. I love to dance with my puppy on a rainy day. The weather is very cold. It's a cold day. It's really cold. I can't bear this cold. I wear a muffler and gloves to walk in the winter. I wear a sweater and a winter cap to walk on a cold day. I love to drink hot soup on a cold day. It keeps me warm. Oh, so much of wind. It's a windy day. It's so windy. What is the best thing that we can do on a windy day? The best thing to do on a windy day is to fly a kite. Haha, so much fun. I love to watch windmill on a windy day. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.